Hey, so check out ClickFunnels only if you want to have a top selling product, if you got a great service, and you want people to actually buy your stuff. It is hands down one of the best programs that you're going to find out there where you actually have everything drawn out for you. Fill the blank, basically. It's like when you went to kindergarten and you are actually like saying, what is that? Remember we used to do the coloring books where it's like 1, 2, 3, you attach the lines? Paint by numbers, or, oh my god, I don't even remember what those are called. Anyways, long story short, it's fill the blanks. So, subscribe to my channel. Woohoo! Look at my cute pillow. And check out ClickFunnels and see what you can learn, because if you definitely want to get a product going and growing and you want all of the bells and the whistles, all the tracking systems, then you got to check